My name is Nico Lopez, and I'm a senior at Rising Aviation. I've been going here for around 7 months. What was really special about that day was that was the first time I flew with Mr. Fritz, and he gave me the controls of the Diamond. So when you first lift off the ground, it's kind of a crazy feeling. You feel that sense of responsibility. And whenever you actually lift up, I mean, you've never felt that feeling before, but you're actually in control. You're the one pushing the stick back and getting off the ground. And you look up to your left and you see yourself start to climb. And within a couple of seconds, you're already 100 feet in the air. You're above everyone. You can see everything around you. And you feel the pressure of the plane and the G's. It's just a great feeling. When you're flying the Diamond and most small airplanes, general aviation airplanes, you have very good visibility. I mean, they're built to where you can look around and fly based on landmarks. So yeah, you can see everything. It's fun to fly people to their houses and fly above their houses and fly above like landmarks that they enjoy. It's really cool to be able to see everything from kind of a bird's eye view. My entire family, the men in my family, my grandpa, my dad, and my brother are all pilots, and so it kind of runs in the family, and it's something I love. After graduation, I'm planning on enlisting in the Air Force, being a crew chief, so working on airplanes, and I'm gonna do my college while I'm in the military, and then hopefully, eventually, after I get my degree, I can try and get a slot for a fighter pilot in the National Guard. I think I'm most proud of being able to fly in the sky. It's something that I don't think a lot of people get to. It's controlling an airplane in the sky. It's something I don't think a lot of people get to experience, and I'm proud of being able to do that.